It's Breast Cancer Awareness Month and the 1-year anniversary of my breast cancer diagnosis. So, on this episode of Lucia's Vegan Lifestyle, we're talking breast cancer. Yes, vegans get cancer. I did, and I'm sharing how I got through it, navigating having cancer from a vegan perspective, and what I'm doing to restore my health, LVL style. I'm joined by special guest Dr. Kristi Funk, vegan, board-certified breast cancer surgeon, best-selling author, co-founder of the Pink Lotus Breast Center, fellow of the American College of Surgeons, and a member of the American Society of Breast Surgeons, as well as the Physicians Committee for Responsible Medicine. Tune in to find out what you can do to prevent risk and recurrence by living a healthy vegan life, all here on Lucia's Vegan Lifestyle.